Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a new team space in Notion. To create a new team space in Notion, these are the steps that you need to take. The first thing is to head over to the left navigation panel. Of course, you have to sign in by typing notion.so in the search bar of any browser of your choice. Once you sign in successfully, it's going to take you to this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a couple of features to have an exciting time in Notion. So, how do you create a new team space? From this left navigation panel, go ahead and click on your profile name, which we have here. Now, from these options, go ahead and click on settings, and it's going to provide you with a couple of options in the settings window. Now you have my accounts, my settings, my notifications, my connections, language and region, and all the way down to the workspace category. You have upgrade plans, settings, team spaces, people, site, all the way down to import. Now select team spaces. Once you select team spaces, it takes you right into your team space settings. Now I have an existing team space which is here, and it is titled to my team space. We have 2 members in there. I don't really know who the second person is aside from me, but I think I already added somebody. And of course, this is my default team space. My team space, you can go ahead and click on this default team space option and add a new default team space. That's if you add a new team space. So I'm going to show you how to add that now. Now, from this option, right, from this button at the right corner, you're going to see new space. Go ahead and click on new team space. And now you have a prompt here asking you to name your team space. Now, go ahead and name your new team space. Now, this could be Afi. And the next step is to enter the desired name for your team space, and which of course I've done right there. You can also set an icon and a description to help identify the team space. Click here to add an icon. You can use an icon, an emoji, or you can even use a custom icon. Let's say an apple. I don't know why I love apples. Go ahead and choose the color, and that's it. So you can add a description. Just go ahead and tell people about your team space. All of these are for easy identification. Then once you're done, go ahead and set the necessary permissions. Okay, so go ahead and click on that and set the necessary permissions. It could be default, it could be open. If it's default, it means everyone at Amanda Max Notion must be a member. If it is open, it means anyone can see and join this team space. If it's closed, it means anyone can see the team space, but you can join, but you cannot join. Rather, if it's private, it means only members can see that this team space exists. Now, once you're done, go ahead and click on create team space. And you will see that your new team space will be added. Now, the next step, which is of course the last step, is for you to add people. Now, go ahead and invite people to this team space. How do you do that? Go ahead and enter their email addresses or names if they're added already. And once you add the name of the person, go ahead and set the necessary permissions. Now, click on that. It could be team space owner or team space member, and how you want to do that. Or you can go ahead and skip for now if you don't want to skip. So let's say I want to add this person to my team space. I click on that team space, and that's it. Click on that team space owner, team space member. If it's team space owner, it means the person can edit the team space settings and full access to team space pages. If it's team space member, it means this person cannot edit the team space settings and can access team space pages. All right. So go ahead and make the necessary permissions. After that, go ahead and click on invite button, and the person will receive the notification in the person's email. Now you can go ahead and click on skip for now if you do not want to add members, and that space will be added. So we have a new team space already added, and that space is Afi. That's pretty much it. So by following the steps, you can set up a new team space in Notion to organize and collaborate with your team efficiently. Go by tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.